Hi, so this is my project on cleaning the data for the Unilever dataset. So just to start off, this is the question that I wanted to answer. Is the origin a factor in determining if the shipment will arrive on time or not? I wanted to look into the problem with the given data to tell if Unilever is having a problem with specific origin sites that are not getting the goods delivered on time, or if the origin isn't really a factor in in getting the orders on the correct delivery date. So just going to the data, I focused mostly on shipments. So this is not the original data set. What I did is I first deleted several columns, several of the date columns and the time columns, because that's not really what I want to work with. What I want to work with really is the origin column, and then the requested arrival date and the delivery date. And if you look at the requested arrival date and delivery date, these aren't actually dates. What I did is I turned them into serial numbers. So now when I eventually program in R, I'll just be able to use them as whole numbers rather than dates, which will make more sense later on when I start to code in R. And other than that, I deleted several columns that weren't necessary, um, and I kept the columns that I think might be useful later on if I want to add some more data. So now just going to R, I'm just going to quickly take you through my code, which is over here. So first I go into the working directory, set up my working directory to find the correct .csv file. I checked if it was good. Then I made a data frame, and I made it with the customer, the origin, the requested arrival date, and the delivery date. And then I called them customer origin, requested AD, which is arrival date, and actual AD, which is actual arrival date. Then I created an origin, and then I requested AD, actual AD, and then I made this value called total, which is the amount, the different types of, which is the total number of data points. I made this this value called do, which is the unique origin, which basically means it takes all the different values that origin could possibly be, which was about 18 different values, meaning there's 18 different origins for the for the products. Then I use this function called split, which allows me to make a different data frame for each different unique origin. So this split function basically helped me make 18 different data frames. Each one specifies a specific origin. And then lastly, I use this function called sapply, which applies whatever this is to this vector. So I used n rows, which basically counts the number of rows. So now if I show L here, which you can see over here, but I'll just do it again, it basically has, here is the different origins, and this is the number of items from that origin. So from the origin 612, there are 70 items. From the origin 1330, there's 12,338 items. So from here on out, I can go and see if there is a correlation between where these items are coming from and if they arrive on time, or if there isn't really a correlation between where they're coming from and whether they arrive on time. Thank you.